In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Nexcess is and how it works. Nexcess is a managed hosting provider that aims to take the hassle out of managing your website's infrastructure. With a focus on optimized performance and robust security, it's designed to cater to any business. Whether you have a small blog or a bustling e-commerce platform, let's dive into how you can get started with Nexcess and make the most of its features. To begin with, you'll head over to the Nexcess platform, where you'll start by clicking on the Managed Hosting Platform option. This is your gateway to choosing the appropriate hosting environment tailored for your specific needs. You'll then choose a hosting plan based on the particular software you're using or planning to use, like WordPress, WooCommerce, or Magento. Each of these options comes with its own set of features to optimize your site's performance and ensure smooth operation. Upon selecting your plan, Nexcess automatically provisions a server for your website. This means there's no need for manual setup. Nexcess does all the heavy lifting for you. They ensure an optimized server environment, meaning it's pre-configured with caching, PHP optimization, and security rules tailored for your chosen CMS. This setup ensures that your site benefits from fast loading times and reliable uptime, which is crucial for maintaining a positive user experience and a strong search engine presence. Moreover, Nexcess provides automatic updates and security patches, specifically for platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce. This system handles core updates for these applications seamlessly, alongside firewall management. It practically ensures your website is always running with the latest and most secure versions of software. To secure your data in transit, Nexcess offers free SSL certificates via Let's Encrypt, which is another essential feature for website security and user trust. Furthermore, the user-friendly dashboard enables site management with ease. Within the client portal, you can manage backups, staging, emails, SSL, and DNS, all from one centralized location, saving both time and hassle. Nexcess also handles automatic daily backups, ensuring that your data is securely stored and easily recoverable should the need arise. As your business grows and demands surge, Nexcess offers scalability for resources such as CPU, RAM, and storage. No need to worry about hitting resource limits. Nexcess scales with you. Support is another highlight of Nexcess. With 24/7 expert support available, integrating and maintaining a seamless website experience becomes a breeze. Further enhancing performance, Nexcess includes a built-in CDN and caching, meaning speeds are accelerated even during high traffic periods. Finally, with a special focus on e-commerce and high traffic sites, Nexcess is optimized to handle complex transactions and a large influx of visitors. Through strategic caching and tailored server configurations, Nexcess ensures reliable and fast website operations, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on growing your business. I hope you found this explanation of Nexcess insightful and see the benefits it can bring to your website experience. Thank you for watching, and consider subscribing for more insightful tutorials straight to your inbox.